Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Android System SafetyCore app. We will understand what it does and whether it is actually safe. So Android System SafetyCore is a system level security component on Android devices. It works in the background in order to protect your phone from the harmful apps, threats and security risks. So what it actually do is it is going to help with scanning the apps for malware or suspicious behavior. It is going to help you protecting your device from the harmful downloads, supporting Google Play Protect and other security features. It comes with pre-install as a part of the Android system or Google security services. You don't install it manually and it runs automatically to keep your device safe. And yes, it is completely safe. It is an official system app which is designed to protect your device. So in most of the cases, you can't uninstall it because it's a core system component. Some devices may allow you to disable certain parts, but it is not recommended at all. So you should definitely keep it enabled. Disabling it could reduce your device's security and it can make it vulnerable to threats. So if you are able to understand Android system SafetyCore application better with this video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.